Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play your PlayStation Portal on rest mode. To begin, you will need to ensure your PlayStation 5 console is properly configured. First, enable remote play in your system settings. Next, confirm your console has an active internet connection. Finally, adjust the power saving options to allow features to remain active during rest mode. These initial steps are crucial for a seamless remote gaming experience with your Portal. Let's dive into the specific settings on your PlayStation 5. From the main menu, navigate to System, then select Remote Play and toggle on the Enable Remote Play option. Afterward, go to Power Saving, then choose features available in rest mode. Here, make sure Stay Connected to the Internet is enabled. Also, activate Enable Turning on PS5 from network to allow your Portal to wake the console remotely. These settings are vital for remote access. A strong and reliable network connection is key for an optimal experience. For the best performance, connect your PlayStation 5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This provides a more stable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. Additionally, ensure your home network has sufficient bandwidth to handle game streaming. A stable Wi-Fi connection for your Portal is also important, ideally on a 5 GHz band, to minimize latency and ensure smooth gameplay. With your PlayStation 5 properly configured and your network optimized, you are ready to play. Simply power on your PlayStation Portal, and it will automatically detect and connect to your console, even if it's in rest mode. The Portal sends a signal to wake your PlayStation 5, allowing you to instantly jump into your games. Enjoy the freedom of playing your favorite titles remotely, whether you are in another room or away from home, as long as you have a stable Wi-Fi connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.